Hey, and welcome back to Alexa Creations channel. Today you will learn the best tips and life hacks for your next trip. So buckle up because we're about to turn your next trip into an adventure of a lifetime. Before we launch to the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the like, and join the notification squad because you don't want to miss amazing content coming your way. Tip number 1. Roll, don't fold. Ever struggled when fitting all your clothes in your suitcase? Say goodbye to that problem. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space, minimizes wrinkles, and you can pack more outfits. Trust me, it's a game changer. Tip number 2. Tech essentials. Don't forget your power bank. Nothing kills the travel buzz faster than a dead phone. Keep your gadgets charged so you're always ready to capture those epic moments and navigate like a pro. Tip number 3. Snack smart. Pack your own snacks. Grab some healthy snacks like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit. Your wallet will thank you later. Tip number 4. Lost and found. Are you worried about losing your luggage? Take a picture of your contact information and attach it to the inside of your suitcase. Tip number 5. Explore like a local. Want the real travel experience? Ditch the tourist traps and ask local for recommendations. They know the hidden gems, the best eats, and the secret spots that will make your trip unforgettable. And there you have it, 5 epic travel tips. If you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe. And comment your favorite travel hack below.